Good morning everyone. So, can't believe it, this morning we're at a Land Rover and it's, well, let me see, what one is this? It's the V8, that's a diesel, is it a 3.5 litre diesel? I think it's the Vogue version or something like that. Let's see up the back here. There it's here. Vogue TDV8, and it's a Range Rover. So, the story behind this one, we're not completed it yet, but I thought I'd let you come on the journey. So we came out to the guy had broke down, he went to restart it and all we heard was clicking off the starter motor, so we assumed these are notorious for the starter motors going, so my friend tells me. So we went right down to the starter and we checked that out. We made a bit of a mistake actually. We whipped the starter motor out and when we bench tested it, it was fine. So to save you make the same mistake, when we heard the clicking we just assumed it was jammed, but it wasn't. So up here at the battery there's what they call a maxi fuse. Let me see, so it sits in there and when we checked that the fuse had blown. So we're not actually really sure why the fuse has blown at this stage, but we've replaced the fuse and we're just going to put it back together. But for a temporary measure, what we done, we took this apart and we charged up the battery, put it all back together, and the thing started no problem at all. So we are wondering what blew the fuse in the first place, because it's there's the fuse there. It's a 400 amp fuse. So I think the theory is once the voltage starts to go down, the amps start to go up. So could that be the cause? Because when we were measuring it with just a wee amps clamp, it was shooting over 400 amps, cranking it over. So, but the battery voltage was low. So we're going to put it back together and I'll let you see that. But also the other thing I was going to show you was how to get this the starter motor out. So you've got to remove a bit of the exhaust pipe. So I'll take you underneath. Let you see it. You had that in your rudiment. And here we go. There, man. Cheers, cheers. So when you're underneath the car, there it's in there. So you've got to remove that exhaust pipe, as I said, and that gives you then access to the starter motor is right there. So you've got to remove that bolt. Let me see if I can hold that torch here. That bolt there, and then that bolt up there, and then remove the electrical connection. I think you see that. This is so hard. There, and then draw the whole thing forward. And once you've removed the exhaust pipe, then it comes out. Sorry about the very difficult to get access to that. But that's what you must do anyway. So we'll put it back together again and we'll check the amperage and we'll see how we go on. Cheers. Go for it.